The NAB judgment, the text of the detailed series of the intra-court appeals concerning constitutional challenges to the amendment made to the National Accountability Ordinance in Pakistan, reflecting significant legal interpretation and disputes among the judges of the Supreme Court. Key insights: original petition and the background. The case originated from the Constitution Petition 21 of 2022 filed by the former Prime Minister Imran Khan, which challenged amendments made to the National Accountability Ordinance, claiming they violated the fundamental rights. Historical context: the National Accountability Ordinance was enacted during the General Pervez Musharraf rule under controversial political context, leading to the perception of its usage as a tool for political victimization. Amendments overview: three main amendments were enacted in June and August 22 and May 23, which altered the various provisions of the ordinance regarding the accountability process and the limits of investigation and judicial process. The Supreme Court's handling of the case, including 55 hearings, communicating in majority ruling that declared some of the amendments are unconstitutional, citing violation of the fundamental rights, including security of the person and the equality of the citizen. Dissenting opinion: Justice Mansoor Ali Shah dissent against the majority ruling, arguing that the Parliament retained the power to amend or repeal laws without judicial interference unless a clear constitutional violation is established. Constitutionality of the Act: the recent enactment of the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act, requiring cases involving constitutional interpretation to be heard by the 5-judge bench, was a pivotal point in the appeal, as original case was heard by 3-member bench. Legal interpretation: the impugned judges face criticism for not directly linking the amendments into infringements of the specified fundamental rights, lacking necessary analysis to justify the court's decision. Court's jurisdiction: the appeal emphasizes the Supreme Court must respect legislative authority, only declare laws unconstitutional when clear violations are evident, promoting judicial reign. Outcome of the appeals: the appeals were allowed, the majority judgment was set aside, the original petition was dismissed, maintaining the amendments to the ordinance did not violate constitutional provision. Future for the President: this case emphasizes the judiciary role in upholding legislative authority while balancing its duty to protect constitutional rights, setting a precedent for future accountability and constitutional challenges in Pakistan.